So if I make this video of this 2017 Citroen Dispatch, so this is the same as the Vauxhall Vivaro and anything using the same chassis. So yeah, quite a common issue, Citroen Dispatch, the Peugeot model and the Vauxhall model. So with the Adblue system. As you can see, this one's got the Adblue issue. If we turn the ignition on, you can see it says Adblue light flashing. Let's start the car up, start the van up. So we've got the Adblue light flashing here, and on the actual centre screen here, emissions fault, prevent and start in 252 kilometres. So that's the issue we've got on this vehicle, flashing Adblue light. The vehicle's only done less than 100,000. It's had back and forth and out of garages with Adblue issues. I've run a Diagnostics on this, and you can see here on the BSI faulting, doing knocking off mobilised by engine ECU. So that's created by the engine ECU preventing a start due to the Adblue. In the engine ECU fault, we've got depollution of the, let's turn the radio off, depollution of the denox system, emissions control ineffective, denox system, denox again, and then urea injector. So this is the Adblue. So these are the common codes you get coming up with the Adblue system when it's failing. So yeah, these are what need resolving. The customer doesn't want the countdown, so we're going to do the resets, and so the customer can get this repaired. So we're going to go back in the diagnostic tool. A lot of people struggle doing the resets correctly on this. So once you've gone into engine, ECU, press enter. It's just entering the system just now. Right, so in here we can look at read fault codes, and we can see we've got these fault codes coming up, all Adblue related. Going to go back, clear the fault code memory. Yes. Switch ignition off and on again. So off and then on, and press OK. So once we've cleared the faults off, I always usually go back to see what went, what comes back. Fault cleared, read memory, no fault code stored. That's fine. We've still got the flashing globe plug flashing Adblue light. Try to get it in focus. Yeah, it's still got the flashing Adblue light. We've not got the warning of no start coming up on the screen there, but still got the service and Adblue light flashing. So to sort that out, we're going to go into special functions. We're going to go into service action, working on emissions control circuit, and what we want to go through is reinitialization of denox system faults. Press that one, press OK. Reinitialization of denox faults, OK. Successful, and that's took the light out. So now we've got nothing on here, no service, no urea light flashing. If a van was in a if it was in a no start situation, doing this would enable the vehicle to run again. That's happened successfully. Turn the ignition off. So turn the ignition off, and let that count down for 30 seconds. So yeah, it's very simple, going into special functions, emission systems, reinitialization of the denox system faults. I don't need to do anything with the particulate filter regeneration, but while I'm in here, especially if you've repaired it or if you want to fully reset it, you can also reset these if it'll let you. So that says switch ignition on again, so ignition's on. So service light comes on ignition and goes out. There's low fuel level. The fuel is low, so it pops up here at low fuel level. But after that low fuel level warning, before we had the Adblue fault, which we've not got coming up. So we can press OK on there. Regeneration done, and while we're here we can try and see if it'll let us do this. We've got to do a drive to do that one, so I'll avoid that one and just show you this one. Ignition on, ignition's on. Reinitialization of the urea injector. It did have a urea injector fault. Programming completed. Okay, so that's it. That's all the resets done. If we can go back into read fault code, and there's no fault codes. So what we can do now, the vehicle can be driven for a longer period of time. It can be repaired. If someone was doing a remap on this, at this point it's good to go for the remapping, to delete the remapping, delete the Adblue out of it, or repair it. So yeah, hopefully this video has been useful for you. We're using the Thinkcar, and this is the X10 model. This would work on the other models of Thinkcar, the Thinkcar Lite and the X5, and a few of the other models as well. So a lot of times it's about getting the right vehicle selection. So you can go through and use the auto VIN search. Once you've got the auto VIN search done correctly, so you're on the right vehicle, then going into the engine ECU. Once in the engine ECU, you can go into special functions. The tool does a lot of other features as well, so you can do all these things here. Battery resets, Adblue Reset here. If you want to do it that way, you can go through to Adblue Reset and do it this way. So you see here we've got we haven't got all the options. So some people might be going in doing the resets in this location. This doesn't give us the option to reset the faults properly. So to get to that full option where we do the proper reset, we're going to go back, system list, engine ECU, special functions, service actions, emission circuit, and this is the main one, initialization of denox system faults. That clears all it out and resets it properly. Yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Cheers.